get gang, maybe say, then turn gang on top the matter just because of the abia. When I meet the turn gang on top of business. Now, beer, they make you turn gang. But actually, guys, we get beer, they're cute. And even guys will get them cute. As long as your pocket is loaded, I don't care. I don't care.
Well, this beer I guess. Now me just decide say I just want to keep on. Not be about fashion, not be about trend, about the way the thing make me look. And if I come out this beer now, I go look like small picking now. So it's will not feel.
The two things I like the baby and the fashion statements. Because I need to start conversation. Anywhere I go, people they ask me why they keep your baby. Then before you know our G's don't enter, before you know our money don't, I feed on the make money or I feed on the check person. You know what I'm saying?
For me, na fashion statements because I just like them. You know, I they like when I see guys with baby. And me say if I get hair, so I decide to just keep on like that. You know.
What is it? I used to be now my style. You know, I just want to get new look. I want to look different. I want style to be if it go make sense and somehow I think that it make sense.
Baby, for what's now? What's I want to use the baby do? So if you want kiss her now, all the hair, everything go come the entire inside. All these men said don't even sabi bath very well. Some of them if they come, no, they don't get money. If you don't get money, if you my man, I go give you money. You go shave everything, baby. No way. I don't want time. I beg. I don't want.
I get money to buy my baby now because of say skin irritation to bleed. That's why I know they cut them, and I like them like that. It fits me well. Ladies they like them.
Plenty. My Sunday school teacher nearly pushed me come up for class one day because I say, I want this. They cut this thing. It makes you responsible. But na style, so we just leave it like that.
With plenty beer, me I even dey wicked because my own must be like Oliver the Coco. Oh, it dey fine, it go be like proper African man. Nah, so.
So people don't talk and say my baby make me look like one hard, bad guy, you know, like one kind of thing. But all the same, now just talk that they talk. That don't no mean anything. Say I be bad person. Now just way I just want look.
I know say me now from north, so they call me Boko my baby. But all I wash, when I'm born, I be fresh guy. Baby they fresh me, that's all.
Well, they look me well, I look, I will be this irresponsible boy. Your carry baby full everywhere, but you know, not just fashion statements, you know.
No, they like and they say they don't say I did cute actually, not rugged.
Women like baby now. You know, say they just stroke the thing like this now. As far fine boy concerned, abo more, show more.
If it's well groomed, you know, they nicely trimmed, they fit you, you know. It just the lens they okay, you know, they shine. If they obvious that you put work into the beer, why not? A lot of ladies consider it sexy.
They know they run. They touch the baby. They play themselves sometimes.
But I don't even know the way they run for me, or the way they are attracted to me. But the most important is somehow we get ourselves at that point. They touch the baby.
And they get it, they like the baby. The baby even makes you look more mature self.
Go shave him. Give you a summer.
Okay, one person they ask me now say why people they put baby. As now see me I no get baby, but people get baby. What do they get them for? You go see some people that don't get money, they go they pack baby, then they take them, then they talk say na fashion. Not be fashion because you go carry comb all the way from your house 24 hours. They always there with comb. They comb this thing. Sometimes you go use hand they scratch them. Some people they get bumps for this thing. Wait, you see fresh guy here. People like me as I do like this. I fresh. I keep. Come and to get baby na bad thing. If you get time, oga, go pray for God, make He come out all this thing for you. Wait till be baby. I say people will get baby. Now people will be say they never chop belly full.
Big bash! That's my guy right there. You don't talk as TV. Some kind baby no fine. You don't see the I tell the welcome back on top the night show, Jerry.
Too short. Before we go break, last born of the family at Hola I am. He say too short. Hope say your wife. Hope say your wife like this your baby sha.
Of course now.
Okay, Simon from Adamawa they call us Simon. Simon from Adamawa ya keke. Muna jinka. Can you talk now?
All right.
Simon, how you doing? Good evening.
I did fine.
Now.
I'm okay. Oh.
How things?
Well done.
You get baby?
Sorry?
You get baby?
I get baby now.
For face, okay, but not ask the remaining parts of baby.
Why they ask what I get baby?
Now, the question we they ask Simon, why you get baby? You prefer him?
Why I get it?
Baby now for your face.
Your wife like him. Why you they keep him?
Now the question, now what I want to contribute to that? What's that for my baby again?
Okay, talk what you want to talk. Anyway, talk what you want to talk.
You know, I never get connected now. I want to follow the big guy talk now.
Who be bring that? Hey! Simon, bye-bye. May the Lord be with you. The Lord knows your needs. Simon. And he will meet you at the point of your needs.
Simon, go find no bring God here. Now too short me they do an easy bit. Where you they see for your TV?
No, now where they come from again?
No, this TV. You know those TV when person they grow up that time. TV. Those days.
Oh, when they close.
Okay. We go come go buy that drink where the cover the yellow.
Your call is up.
And come use sellotape put on top this.
Anyway, when they come back, maybe we'll go market small. We'll come back. We'll continue. We're still on top the night show for Wazobia TV channel 195. 2 shots there for inside building.
Send us your night show. We could read them come out for
you. At W night show, you like baby? I be no like baby. If you like them, why?
Okay, before we quick go, this is to talk. Happiness. Hello.
Hello.
Hey,
happy baby.
Hello.
Happiness, how are you?
I'm fine. Catherine.
Yozo, it's me.
We didn't say you die.
Oh,
you know you seriously.
Hey, whoa, tell me. Happiness, where you go?
Happiness will not hear you again.
Hello?
Hear you.
Happiness, you talk now. You like your man with baby.
You die, oh.
Your